Okay. So basically what we're looking at is the last problem from your homework. Alright. So like I said, we're looking at the last one from your homework involving fractions. So that's 1/5, 3, 2 3/4, 7/8. Alright, so first thing I do, I leave the 1/5. I write the 3 is 3 over 1. 2 3/4 becomes 11/4. 7/8 is about 7/8. So I got fractions. I've turned my integers and mixed numbers into either improper fractions. So now I'm going to find a common denominator, which is 40. 4 goes into 8, so I know anything 8 goes into, 4 is going to go into. 8 and 5 are relatively prime, so I multiply them together. 8 times 5 gives me 40. So I rewrite them all with a denominator of 40. So I got 8 over 40. All right. I have 120 over 40. I have 110 over 40. And I have 35 over 40. All right. So now I'm drawing my triangle, because I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem and not the distance formula. Feel free to use the distance formula. So I know my x's are going from 8 over 40, 120 over 40, to 110 over 40, comma, 35 over 40. All right. So now I figure out how much I'm going across. I'm going from 8 to 110, so that's 102 over 40. I'm going from 120 down to 35, so I'm going down 85 over 40. So those are my side lines. So I do 102 over 40 squared plus 85 over 40 squared. Set that equal to c squared. Alright. I'm going to obviously use a calculator because I got some big numbers. 102 squared is 10,404 over 1,600 plus 85 squared, which is 7,225 over 1,600. That's equal to c squared. Okay. Now I'm going to add those up, and I got 17,629 over 1,600 equals c squared. Alright, I'm then going to do the square root. Now I'm looking at 17,629. I go to my calculator, stat, edit. Alright, in L1. Alright, I'm putting in 4, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225, 256, 289, 324, 361, 400. Alright, and now I go to the top of L2. Remember, this is the top of L2. Clear it out. And then go back to the top of L2. My numerator is 17,629, so I do 17,629 divided by. And now I want to divide by everything in L1, so I hit second one. And I got that. And I see everything to decimal until I get all the way to 289. What a unique number that is. So 289 goes into it. Alright? So this becomes 289 times 61, which is underneath the square root. Square root of 289 is 17, so that's 17 square root of 61. 1600 is the perfect square. Square root of 1600 is 40. Alright, my 61 is a prime number, so I'm done with that. 17 over 40, also reduced, so therefore I am done. Alright, I hope that helps with that problem. Alright, best of luck to you.